There was again. Sanmalani sengenile. I'm waiting for people. Nginegaqa for days. Ngizodlala exposing njengamanje. Diniwe. Ngikhathele. But while we're waiting for people, I'm basically here to address people ebekhuluma manga ngegama lami. And I'm actually supposed to be getting ready to go somewhere, but ngiyazi ukuthi ngiqathile. Ngisalinde ukuthi kugcwale abantu la. Ngifuna bengitshele kahle. Ngifuna i-advice kahle kahle. Ngithemba ukuthi niyaphila. Ngize ngabhala ama-notes ngendlela engiyi-serious ngayo ngale ndaba le namhlanje ngoba ngizwa ingidina. Yazi nginyanyisa futhi. Accept request. Hey, namhlanje angiwa-accept some request nje ngizo-addressa into eyi-1 bese ngiyafokofa la because I have something way to go. So basically the issue at hand, there's so many issues at hand. Yo, bafethu ngikwate. Angaze nginyanye kanje. But it's okay. So, number 1, promise to check your DM though. Okay, what's going on? I can't pass this. I think NS5 Saba well. Okay, so basically, indaba ngizoyi-addressa la. And I'm not someone who actually addresses rumors or like entertains people saying stuff about me, because like ever since high school I've been having people who just have issues with me, and trust me with me, and I'm one who does not have friends, and I'm not even eager to have friends because ngiyazi ukuthi iphela kanjani indaba yabangani. And my mom really was not a fan of like having friends, so lento le was rubbing people the wrong way ukuthi I'm comfortable with being by myself. So number 1, indaba la isekuthenini khona abantu abacabanga ukuthi it went along the lines of ukuthi I'm even thinking of suing at this point because the disrespect is loud. They told me that I'm pretending to not be something. I'm pretending to be something whereas I'm not. There was a whole argument about me now, which is crazy. Like, I do not believe that and angimangela ukuthi angakathelwa nge-acid ebusweni, angakadlisa ushevu ngendlela abantu engabe ngazi ukuthi abangifuni ngakhona. But they be the same people are like, oh my gosh, Yandi, we love you so much. Abanye bazi bathi wena awusiyona intombi, and I'm just like, bathi sikhokhela onomehlo. Ngingakhokhela onomehlo abangaka emhlabeni. Mina ngihlola eVits, ngihlola eUJ, ngihlola eNW, everywhere. Ngithatha kumani bathi hey futhi guys, kahle kahle nje futhi I'm gonna expose all of these people, just not now, but ngifuna nje ukuthi nje kube khona abantu abaningi, or like I'm gonna address it, like expose later, because there's somewhere I need to go. But nje I just want advice from you guys. Is it drastic ukuthi ngibasiwe? Like, is it drastic? Because like like I want to make an example, because yes, like it's not even something new, but I just want to make an example because ngithula too much. I feel like ngithula too much and abantu bayangijwayela. So that's why ngize la live, because as I want to make an example so bad. And that's the thing. Angaze ngize ngiyiphakamise mina. Man, ukhuluma ngobani? Khuleka wena, i-list ngizoyikhipha. Ungawari. Mina kangisabi umuntu. Angincethezi-ke futhi, angaze ngancetheza. Nje solokhu ngazalwa. Angisiwi umuntu okukhotha obhozo. Ngithi, hawe mana, yazi angaze nje futhi ngancenga sidalo. You can sue them for defamation of character. Exactly, that's what I want to do. Make a perfect example, because ngihlezi ngichukuluza. Since high school ngiyachukuluza. Who went to high school with me? No. At some point kwaba khona i-crowd engaka yeza kumina ya-announce isikole sonke ukuthi hey uyandi kwashacima, all because bengafuni ukuba abangani babo. And I was friends with people bebathatha kancane, and they're like, why are you friends with these people? I've never been someone who conforms to what people want me to do, what people want me to act like. Angikaze ngayiphakamisa, but I feel like it is getting to that point where I need to name and shame. Just focus when I've been focusing on my life. I don't even dream about them at night. But izinto engiyitholile izolo, guys. Ngeze ubebebe. So mina kahle hle into engizoyibuza la kunini ukuthi mengathi ngiyababophisa ngisuke ngine-drama yini. And I'm someone really who does not argue with people or like address them, because obviously I'm going to be stooping down to their level. But I want to make an example. Am I being drastic about that? I want to serve legal letters. Ilokho nje ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi to that point. People have been kade abantu bengijwayela kabi ngithule. Call your sister, ma'am. Hey, Nkosi yami bandla. Hey bandla. Hey futhi. Ngifuna le nto leyo ukuthi ibe i-consequence yabo, i-consequence ibe drastic. I am not gonna let this slide. I could grow beard like your brother. That's why she needs to be my wife. Huh? Guys, couldn't be serious la. Tell us the story first before anything. Okay, so basically, I'm just gonna be blunt and I'm gonna be honest about this. But because one name and Jama, it's either now, it's either later on this live or like I'm gonna make another one. So basically, number one, mina ngihlale res. I'm at res right now. I'm in university, sharp. And then number two, I don't have a lot of friends just because so me not having friends, I've always been in my room, and I live in a mixed race, and it's a sports race basically. So I play sports. So when I would say like I became friends with like ever since I was a person, I've been like around male figures. And I thought maybe this was because maybe I had like a good dad, and so he made men into like people I gravitate towards, yabo. And not just anyone. I'm a very good judge of character, but at this point it's just I was wrong twice, because I had 2 fallouts this month, and it's another story. Yes, so basically so labantu laba that I'm friends with are guys, and they play soccer like schooling, so they're like the most wanted. So basically my mom always knew ngikhulu ukuthi nje wena impesi zakho uzoba abafana, because like nginabangani babafana mina, because amantombazane, like I always have bad experiences. It has never been good. Agas sharp. So like my friends, and I remember this year like I almost like fell into depression, like serious depression, like yo guys, it was bad. And I don't want to lie, like guys, I know abantu bathi there's no such thing as like cross gender relationships, but they've been there for me. And I mean, I'm not an emotional person. See how yazi guys, I don't feel good. And they went out on their way to make sure that they cheer me up, they took me out. And it's not something that has ever happened to me, like ukuthi abantu like think about me in that aspect. It's always me, umuntu ucabangela abantu. And one of my friendship breakups, and I'm not gonna name and shame yet, one of my breakups this year, guys, I'm a giver, and I don't know how to receive. Bruh, ngikutshela ukuthi ayikho into engikwenzele yona umnganami. Mina ngingakuthwala from what you're wearing to accommodation to how you want to look, to your hair, to your nails, if I have the ability. Khona engakwenza ngibonga ngepeti lamasimba. October is a bad month for me this year. It's a bad month this year, but I'm not gonna get into that. It's not about it. So I think it's really like izolo. kuthiwa mina I'm no longer pure because I have guy friends and my guy friends are just looking for an opportunity. Sihleli kanje. I was so shocked. And I mean, angikaze ngize ngigroove like Lyris. Angikaze. I've never been out Lyris. So yesterday I was like, let me go because it's my friend's birthday. Let me take one for the team. And and I was like, let's go. I quit sports. Why? Because ngibonile ukuthi lento le inenkulumo phakathi and they're losing the plot ukuthi we're here to play sports. We're not here to naga ezinye izinto. Mina I would not like you. But masifike grounding. Ngiyazi ukuthi usibani ugude kuqoreni ngizomnika ibhola qora. Ukuthi angimfoni kwasho cima angihlangene mina. I'm here for what's best for the team. Shuthi ke ibhetch efike this year lost the plot completely. And those who know me know because I love sports with everything in me. I've been playing sports ever since I used to do track. From track I went to hockey. Imagine I'm playing for my university, and when I quit hockey it was such an emotional decision for me because last year I'm blue out too. My MRI, I had to go for surgeries. I still continued to people were toxic. I get to a trip yonke. It's something that has been an issue. Khona inkalakatha-ke engangifunda nayo high school shuthi yeza la yazofunda nayo. Mayifika futhi inkalakatha la ngiyazi mina ukuthi unengane kodwa I pretended like I did not know anything. Mayifika la I welcomed her properly and I was like, oh hi, hey unjani ngiyaphila. And I've never said anything to her my entire high school, but I was like, because I know you and you know me. Like, I'm gonna make you. Even at LHS, okay, when LHS being attack a bonk. And I learned my life from the LHS. When I get up, was in Naga. There was a life from the LHS, Kalagata, Ain't cousins and you should loot to me. Ngayo, ingane. And I acted surprised as a jelly team. Numtana. So, if she wanted to disclose that she was. So I was like, oh, Nengani, that's nice. Like, oh, was so like making her comfortable. Ah, girl. Oh, yeah. Even in high school, yeah. When low comment in the best LHS, LHS because the LHS in the Bayame Panji dumile. And even in my other high school, dumile the was Vuniandisa Kotlas Bar Gekus Musumtoli. Gek. Mina, it was so bad to the point where I got to after party metric dance. If Yandiswa comes, everyone is getting free access. Why? So that's one issue. The second issue. The second issue is my man is usually because it's already like an ongoing case, but my man killed so and so and so and so, and I'm like, Mina, ow, is that right? I've never posted anything about being in a relationship, let alone being with someone. Abantu bethatha search engine la kaga TikTok and they run with it. But nje guys kuningi inkinga manje sengiyaxhuma khuluma izinto lezi ngami ngiya restrictwa manje. Okay, yeah. How do you feel comfortable? Ngo 8